year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola. I create all kinds of pink, beauty, fashion, and decor videos. If that's something you're into, make sure to click that subscribe button below, click the notification bell, and follow me on my social media. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's pink Christmas video. I'm so excited. I went to a couple stores last week and I was able to find a lot of cute pink decor. I also incorporated some items that I had from like the past previous years, but I can't wait to share with you some of the beautiful Christmas decor that I found at the at-home store and at Michael's. I also got a couple items from TJ Maxx and Marshall's, but I can't wait to share with you. So before we get started, I did want to show you a quick little present that I got from my best friend Janine. It actually arrived yesterday and I actually want to incorporate it in today's video because there is some Christmas decor in there as well, so I thought might as well just throw that in there in today's video. My birthday is tomorrow on Thanksgiving. It falls on Thanksgiving this year and I'm just excited because I'm going to put up my Christmas tree and my decor and all that. And I know a lot of people already put up their decor like way ahead of time, like I don't know, like a couple of weeks ago. I decided to wait, not get ahead of everybody, and just do it like I always do every year. Like, why get ahead? Why are people rushing the holidays? I don't get it. But anyway, let me go ahead and show you what I got. So she sent me this beautiful box. It's a Hello Kitty. It's so adorable, and like I said, it is for my birthday, but there is some Christmas decor in there as well. So excited. It's like for my birthday dash Christmas. So the first thing she sent to me is this adorable little stocking. Like, how cute is this? Like, she is the best. If you guys have not heard of my friend, her name is Janine and I always talk about her. She is a truly an amazing person, but she is like truly one of my bestest friends ever. I love you so much, Janine, and thank you so much for sending these adorable things to me. You're like the best. The next thing in here is another little cute Christmas decor piece. It's a pink little mitten, and this I have not seen like anywhere. Same with these. Like, even though I did shop at like the at-home store and other stores, I did not see these at all. So I'm so excited with these. These are like adorable. They're gonna look so cute on my Christmas tree. And there's another cute little decor. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Like, let me show you. Like, the details on this is just so beautiful. It's like a ballerina dress and it has little sequins and pink glitter. Absolutely beautiful. Like, this is gonna look incredible on my pink Christmas tree. I am putting up my pink Christmas tree this year, but I'm also putting up a green one as well for my kids. The next thing in here is this. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna love this. This is so adorable. I don't have anything like this. Look how cute this is. It's pink and it's a, what is it called? It's like one of those bakery blenders. Look how pretty. This is so cute. Like a little bakery. Absolutely adorable. Wait till you guys see this. I have not seen this anywhere. Like, I don't know how she finds the cutest decor piece. Look how beautiful this is. It's stunning. It's like a little masquerade and it's beautiful. It's like tiny and it's pink This is like the cutest thing ever. This is like my favorite. I'm gonna put them all up this year. I always save all my like ornaments and stuff like that. I think they're very like sentimental and something that you can use over and over throughout the years. So that was it for like the Christmas decor in the box. These next items are things that she sent me for my birthday, and of course I'm going to share them with you. She sent me this beautiful palette that I didn't even know was out yet. It is from Too Faced, and it is a Christmas edition. It is called Secret Santa Too Faced, and it has this pink Santa Claus right there. Absolutely adorable. And wait till you see the actual palette. It is made out of this like tin can, which I really love. I love when Too Faced does these kind of palettes. And on the inside you get 8 gorgeous shades, and they smell like peppermint and gingerbread. Very Christmassy. I absolutely love this cute little palette. This is going to go in my vanity like ASAP. And she also sent me this lip gloss set from Too Faced. It is a limited edition. I actually just saw this on the Too Faced website like not too long ago, like a couple days ago, and I was like, oh, this looks so amazing, and she sent it out to me. It's the Too Faced Plumped in Paris. These are like plumping lip glosses. So here they are. It's 3 of them, and they are beautiful. Next, I have a hair mask from one of my favorite brands. It's the Cake brand, and it's a deep treating conditioner for volume. I adore this brand so much. I actually ran out of my conditioner, and I have to go back and get some more, but that brand is like incredible. And then there's also this adorable hand cream. I'm throwing this in my purse. It's so cute. It's Hello Kitty. It's the moisturizing hand cream by The Cream Shop. There's also this other palette, which is also going to go in my vanity. It's beautiful. It's perfect right now for the holidays, and it just looks so pretty. Like, I am beyond excited that she sent this out to me. This is such a popular palette. I know a lot of girls were going crazy over this palette. It's beautiful. It has like all these beautiful shades in the back. It's stunning, and I love these like just packagings. They look so pretty in the vanity. The next thing in here is a cell phone case, which I actually needed. I don't even know where my phone is, otherwise I would show you, but mine is all cracked and I needed to get a new case. So this is going to be like perfect, and it's so pretty. It says, just give a girl who loves, and then it has a picture of a little coffee. This is so cute. This is so me. Absolutely adorable. This is going to go on my cell phone as well. And then, oh, she sent me some scrunchies. I did not see these. Ooh, I love these. I actually have one in my hand right now. I love these kinds of scrunchies. These are like satin, and they're so good for your hair, especially if your hair breaks a lot. These are like great. You just put them on, and it doesn't like crease in your hair. So these are great, and they're in these beautiful shades. There's 6 of them. Like, how pretty. And the last thing she sent me is an adorable PJ from Juicy Couture. I'm telling you, she finds like the bestest deals ever and the cutest items, because I have not seen this in store either. And I did walk around the Marshalls and TJ Maxx the other day in search of like a Juicy Couture jammy, and I could not find a single thing. But she got me this adorable set. It comes with little pair of shorts, and it says Juicy Couture, and then a little spaghetti strap to go with it, and it's in this beautiful like light purple pink. Look how pretty, and it's so soft. And it also comes with, look how pretty this is, like a little robe to go with it. Like, I am in love with this PJ set. It is absolutely adorable. I love the fact that she got me this to go with my PJs. It is so cute. Thank you so much, bestie. You are the best. I will say this over and over again. I love you so much. I hope you're all ready for this massive pink Christmas haul. I have so much pink goodies to share with you today. So let me go ahead and show you the first things that I got at Marshall's. I found these online. Look how beautiful these are. So these are like these two pink trees. They are made out of resin. I believe that's how you say it, resin, but they are so pretty. They're pink, and then they're lined with like gold. So pretty. They're like in this baby pink. I don't know if the camera's picking up on the color. I'll zoom in so you can see, but I got two. I believe these were like $14.99 each. And then also from TJ Maxx, I found the thing that I was always looking for. I finally found it. Look how pretty it is. This was only $12.99. Yes, $12.99. I have seen these on Mercari for like way over 60 bucks, and I was not gonna pay that, but they did have this online, and it does light up. I have to actually add the batteries. That's what I forgot to do, but I will add the batteries and show you. But it lights up and it looks so pretty and so whimsical. This is definitely going to go in my vanity as well. I also got two pink reindeers, also from the Marshall's website. They are made out of this like super sturdy wood, and they're really pretty. They're baby pink, and I believe these are from like Martha Stewart, I believe. I'll link everything below if I can find the links, but look how beautiful these are. So this came in a set of two, and these were only $14.99, which I thought was an incredible deal. So I did go and I stalked my Michael's store like 3 times, looked everywhere, and I could not find their romance Christmas collection like anywhere. So I did ask one of the ladies there that works there, and she told me that they were actually behind. They had like a lot of stuff to put away, and she gave me a date to go back. And of course, the very next morning, bright and early, there I was, and I found the entire collection. They set it up so beautiful. I didn't want to leave the store, but I did end up picking up a few items that were on my wish list. And the first thing I got is this beautiful pink nutcracker that says "Days Till Christmas," and it has the little blocks so you can change it up, and then the kids usually see that, they get so excited. But it's beautiful. It's in the perfect shade of pink with gold, and it's beautiful. Like, I am loving this so much. I also was able to find the very, very popular little domes, and I picked up 3 of them. I picked up this one here, the little ballerina one. Look how beautiful it is. It's like so pretty. It looks better in person than it did on the website. On the website, it doesn't even do it justice. Like in person, it's incredible. It's beautiful. So I did pick this one up, and I also picked up the little nutcracker one, and then I got an additional one to give as a gift to my bestie because I love her. But look how pretty these are. Like, I can't even like stop looking at these. These make me so happy. Next, I also picked up this beautiful pink slipper, and I know this is a very popular item as well. It's so pretty. It has a little nutcracker inside, and it stands up perfect. Like, it's so beautiful, and it does have this like real ribbon on the side. It is just so adorable. Like, Michael's, you guys killed it this year. You have the best decor ever. Another thing that I also picked up from Michael's are these beautiful houses. They're very flat, which I really like because they're not like roomy. They don't make a big, like, you know, take up a lot of space. They're just perfect, but they stand up so perfectly. Like, if you want these for your vanity, which I'm probably gonna do, and I did get 2 to go together. Sorry if I'm going too fast. I feel like I'm talking way too fast. I just have so many items that I want to share with you, and I don't want this video to be like super long. But next, I have some items that I got at the at-home store. I was like in heaven at the store. I couldn't believe that finally I was at that store after many years of wanting to go there, but there was none in my area. So I did pick up some nutcrackers, and the way they had everything set up there with the nutcrackers, I felt like I was like in nutcracker heaven. There was so many nutcrackers of every single kind. So I did pick up a few to add to my collection. I feel like this year is going to be like all about nutcrackers. So I did get this beautiful pastel nutcracker, also with the dates. This one says "Days Till Christmas." It's beautiful. Like, how cute is this? It's so adorable. I am gonna put this in the living room for the kids, and then the other one will be for me. And then next, I have another nutcracker, also pink with like little blue booties. absolutely adorable, and it's holding like a little lollipop. Like, how cute is this? Like, this is so adorable. I also got this one, and I actually wish that I would have gotten 2 of these to put like next to each other, but I only got 1, and then when I went back there was none left. So that's the thing, when you see something you need to get it. But it's beautiful. Look how fuzzy it is. It's just so adorable. It is so pretty. I love it, and it has like a little diamond on the tip of its cane. So I got that one, and then I got a little mini one. I got this little mini nutcracker. Again, I wish I would have gotten another one, because when I got home I placed them down and I was like, oh, this would have looked amazing with like another one on the side, and I didn't. So I did go back, like I said. Again, there was no more left, so I missed out on that, but at least I got one, and he is so cute. He's adorable. So these next 2 items are from the At Home Bakery Collection, I believe it's called, and it's called Bakery Collection because they literally look like gingerbread. They are so pretty. So I got this little cute gingerbread house. It's like circle. This one does not light up, but it's absolutely beautiful. It has like a little gnome and a pink little bow on the top. And then I did pick up 2 of these. These were one of the things I've been looking for a very long time. When like everybody started out showing off their like Christmas decor and all that, I saw these and I was like, I need to find these, and I can't believe I found these. There was like so many the day I went at the At Home store, and then when I went back a week later they were all gone. So I'm so glad, and I did get 2 to put on each side, so I am beyond excited. But these are so cute. They're like adorable. They remind me of the one that I got last year with the glass dome. These are just like so pretty, and they look like real gingerbread. So this next thing that I got, I actually went back because my best friend told me she got one of them, and I was like, I need to go get one. So Janine inspired me to get this, and I'm so glad I did, because it's the most beautiful nutcracker I've ever seen. It's gigantic, and he is holding 4 little nutcrackers. Like, how cute is this? Like, I've never seen something as beautiful as this. It's perfect. I forgot to show you this. I must have missed out on showing you this, but this is actually from Michael's, and I did get this from their romance collection. It's beautiful. It says Christmas Wishes, and it's beautiful, and it's pink. So those are all my Christmas items that I got. I also got a couple ornaments as well, but I will share those with you when I do my Christmas decor and show you like my room tour of all the Christmas items and how it's decorated. And hopefully I should have that video up by next Wednesday. So that is everything. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Last year I